It is not recommended that electricity and water is mixed. As you can see by using this electric drill battery and a pair of stainless steel plates, a small voltage will cause the hydrogen bond of water to break, causing hydrogen and oxygen to be released into the atmosphere. For the purpose of demonstration, a small amount of bubble mix is being added to the water to trap some of the escaping gases. As hydrogen and oxygen are lighter than air, large volumes could accumulate under a bonnet or cowling. After a short delay, a flame is touched against the bubbles. Over a period of time, a larger build-up of hydrogen gas could be quite dangerous.